I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something.
That's right. Let's go. Yeah. When you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt, you're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out. All that is bad, and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Wake up, it's me. You're gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need to proceed and be exactly what you want it to be. I feel right, and I'm proud, hype and I'm loud. I'ma shout all about.
क्या आपको पता है आज मैं एक ऐसा गेम लेकर आया हूँ जिसको आप लोग खेलकर पैसे कमा सकते हो। बस तुम्हें खिलाड़ी अड्डा ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है और मेरा रेफर कोड यूज करना है। जो भी बंदे मेरे इस रेफरल कोड से ज्वाइन करता है उनमें से रैंडम 10 बंदे को मिलने वाला है 100 डायमंड। खिलाड़ी अड्डा में आप लोग डेली के 1000 से 2000 खेलकर जीत सकते हो। खिलाड़ी अड्डा हर महीने 1500 से ज्यादा कॉन्टेस्ट करवाता है, तुम हर रोज के 10,000 जीत सकते हो। इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट मेरा सर्वाइवर बैटल है जो 11:30 बजे होता है। इसमें जो बंदा सबसे आखिरी तक जिंदा रहता है वही इस मैच को जीत जाता है। यानी कि आप अगर गेम में खेल करने में माहिर नहीं और कैंपिंग करने में है तो ये गेम आप ही के लिए। बिना किल्स के भी तुम लोग माला माल हो सकते हो। जो भी नया यूजर ज्वाइन करेगा उसको ज्वाइन बोनस मिलेगा जिससे तुम पहला मैच फ्री में खेल सकते हो। खिलाड़ी अड्डा के डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर में टियर 1, 2, 3 के प्रैक्टिस मैचेस चलते हैं। इंतजार किसका है, जाकर डाउनलोड करो।
Can you start to see clear all the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where your feet are? You can stand right here and say no. I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up never loses to a foe. The one that can show to myself I can go all the way to the top, can't stop me. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, forward, older, never slower. Get to know ya, don't come make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream, everything that you need. It's in the air that you breathe, it's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me.
So when you feel like you're nothing but you wanna be something, yeah. Well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out, what you need when you're sad, and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drought, and then creeps out, but with a little bit of hope, you can figure it out. Keep your head high, even when you're down inside. Through the pain you fight, and through the painful nights, you keep striving, keep trying, keep driving, rising, keep thriving, surviving. Nothing's in your way but yourself. Don't need nobody's help. You can make it through this hell. Take it one step at a time, one step as you climb. If you fail, you'll be fine. Get back up to the grind, and never lose sight of your mission. Be driven. This life is a prison if you don't have vision. You're in it to win it, so get it, don't miss it. Your chances now, so be something somehow. Don't let yourself down. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope.
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with me? Why the fuck you ain't take a step back and let me fucking breathe? Did you really have to hurt me? Put me 10 feet in my eyes and tell me you believe it. It's about doing this shit for the clout. Devil mad at all his failed attempts. Yeah, he's trying to get out. I don't know if I can scream because his voice is too loud. I don't know if I can leave because I'm trapped in this house. Feeling what I felt. I don't know if I'm in heaven or crazy shit been on my mind. I know that I will get over it, just give me some time. I know I'm trying to hit the brakes, trying to flatline. Now you're on my fucking head, stuck in my mind. Where the fuck was I supposed to go when I was lost in time? What the fuck was I supposed to do when I knew you were mine? So